Dear friends, in this video, I'd like to showcase how to enable file transfer between virtual machine and host machine, such as Windows. And I will use VirtualBox as an example, but I think VMware is very similar to VirtualBox. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started. There will be 3 steps in total. First one, we need to install the guest additions. And of course, this is very easy. And the second step, we need to create a share folder on the VirtualBox. And the third step, in many cases, this is very necessary. Otherwise, we cannot copy and paste, or we cannot transfer the file at all. Okay, so now we can go to the Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to install the guest additions. So how to do? We can go to the devices and insert guest additions CD. And then, this one, we can open up this CD image. And this file is what we want. We can copy and copy to the, the desktop. Okay, and now we can bring up the terminal to install it. I can make the screen to be bigger, so then you can see what's going on exactly. We can navigate to desktop, and then we can, of course, if you directly run this, utility or additions, you will get error. Okay, so this program must be run with administrator privilege. So we need to put a sudo in the, because my current user is currently not a sudo, not a root user. So we can run it again by putting sudo in its front. Okay, we can hit enter. And now, this command will try to remove installed VirtualBox guest addition, and then we'll reinstall it. Also, maybe we can use package manager to install it, but I think this way is efficient way. We do not need to download from the internet. All right, I think it's almost done. It's writing some information to the log file. So next, we need to shut down the machine, such as Kali Linux, because this case is Kali Linux as a virtual machine. Okay, press enter to shut it down, and then we need to go back to the host. You need to create the folder. Of course, I've already created the folder before, and this folder will act our share between the host and our virtual machine. So this would be some kinds of a bridge. Okay, so if you want to transfer, from host to the virtual machine, or from the virtual machine to the host machine, vice versa, and then we can put the file into this share folder. But also we need to go to the, we select the machine like Kali Linux and go to the settings tab, and we can navigate to shared folders. We need to create the shared folders by, click the plus icon, and we can we can navigate to the path. This one. This is, of course, you can use any path, folder path, and you can use any folder name. And I want to mount to the MIT. You can mount to any point, and then we can click OK, and then we can click OK as well. And then we can start the Kali Linux or virtual machine. But we are not finished yet. We need to do one more step. I will show you. Even without this step, maybe we cannot, possibly we cannot transfer the file. So guys, if you like my videos, uploaded videos in the cybersecurity, please subscribe and also leave a comment and also leave a like. This will help me a lot with YouTube algorithm. Thank you. So I think now connecting is started. Maybe we can remove this message. And we can supply the username and the password to log in. Okay, so now you can try to transfer the file. For example, we can go any directory like this one. If you want to drag from the virtual machine to the host, you will get error. Even you use the copy and paste way, this doesn't work. Okay, doesn't work. We cannot make a copy. So how to solve the problem? And just I mentioned earlier, we can use the share folder as the bridge. So we can copy from, for example, desktop one hub, and like the first folder, and we can mount. But we got error permission denied because we didn't mount yet. We can sudo and mount. And this would be the type of the, the file system, and the file followed by the share folder name. Of course, maybe for your case, you will use different name. And this is a mounting point. Press enter. And we can copy again. This time we got no error. If you go back to the host machine, you can find this one. Okay, so this is the, this is the file we just transfer from the virtual machine. So I think that's all I'd like to showcase in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.